Class 7 Subject Chemistry Chapter 5 Acids, Bases and Salts Module 3 Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to know about China-Rosse indicator and preparation of China-Rosse indicator, and also describe the effect of China-Rosse indicator on different substances. China-Rosse indicator. This is an indicator that you can make at home using petals of the China rose or the hibiscus flower. Preparation of China rose indicator. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker or any other container. Add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Filter the solution and you have the pinkish indicator ready. Use the colored water as an indicator. China-Rosse indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink or magenta and basic solutions to green. Let us try testing some solutions using China-Rosse indicator and find out whether they are acids, bases or neutral solutions. We will record our observations as shown in this table below. Let's begin. We will take some lemon juice first and add few drops of China-Rosse indicator. Now we will note down our observations in the table. Test solution lemon juice, initial color of the indicator pink, final color dark pink or magenta. So we can say that lemon juice is acidic in nature. Next we will take some vinegar and add few drops of China-Rosse indicator. Let's record our observations in the table. Test solution is vinegar, and initial color of the indicator pink, final color is dark pink or magenta. So we can say that vinegar is acidic in nature. Now we will take some baking soda. Chemically it is also called as sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, and add few drops of China-Rosse indicator. Let's record our observations in the table. Test solution is baking soda. Initial color of indicator is pink and final color is green. So we can say that baking soda is basic in nature. Next we will take some detergent solution and add few drops of China-Rosse indicator. Let's record our observations in the table. Test solution is detergent solution. Initial color of the indicator pink and final color is green. So we can say that detergent solution is basic in nature. Now we will take some common salt solution and add few drops of China-Rosse indicator. Let's record our observations in the table. Test solution is common salt solution. Initial color of the indicator pink and final color no change. So we can say that common salt is neutral in nature. So these are the solutions we tested today. So baking soda and soap solutions are basic in nature, so we can see the green color of the indicator, and in acids, lemon and juice, you can see it is turning to magenta or dark pink, and the salt solution is neutral, so no color change.